Hey guys, I got a few questions about this very often, and that's what camera do I use to record all this footage that I've been getting? And it's pretty much this. There's my honey's RAV4. It's the camera right here that you adjust. It's very simple, basic camera. That's for mic control, so it's recording me right now and that footage, and it's blinking, it's recording the minute I turn the car on. And how do I have it dressed? It's just by suction cup. And the wire, I don't care for anything, just in case anything breaks or anything like that. I have it plugged into the cigarette lighter. There's two wires. This one right here is the power. This one right here is the backup camera in the back. So yeah, when I turn off the car, it definitely does just record for a little bit, for a short time before it stops. Goodbye. You got tones and everything you can control on it, to make it go ding ding. Everything's a tit tit and make noise. I didn't want any of that. Yeah, it's a basic camera. You've seen it probably seen it on eBay. That's the on and off button right there. It can run on its own battery, but the battery's not that strong. Just probably a rechargeable battery, and that's the knob. But I've had this for like, I would say for about 4 or 5 years now. And it's been working. It uses an SD card, which it's at the top here. You can see, got your feature buttons and everything like that. But yeah, a lot of you guys asked, yeah, I had this for five years at least. And I just run the wire underneath the middle here and going all the way to the back. You can see it running in the seat and beneath the back there, which I'll take you to the back side. So I return to the back. You can see the camera's right there. And you're wondering, well, how is it right there? Well, I just did some customization. I mounted it right here. It's along the glass door, and I've been shutting this thing a bunch. So of course this has tilting adjustments too. You can tilt it up and down. See, like that. And it has I used a 3M tape right there. You can remove it if you wanted to with a little dental floss and a hair dryer or a heating gun. And I just wrapped the wire around here. What I did a little custom though is I took one of my adjustable what do you call it, key making files, and I just filed a little space right here for the width of this wire so it doesn't pinch too hard. And I just let it hang back here. It's just hung back over here, no big deal. And through the back of the seat, just right around, you see the strut brace, and yeah, and it just goes through the seat well, which I'll show you through here. That's all I have. Nothing special. It just goes through the seat. I just let the seat down and I just ran the wire across there. I don't hardly have anyone that sits in the back side of the car very much, and it just runs along there, plug there, and there's two wires and up to the camera. If anything goes wrong, it's easy to remove. Not like I know there's a couple of people at OCD that camera into the car on the inside of the dash and on the firewall and all that. But yeah, that's the camera right there, recording that side as well. Suction cup works great. To be fair, it did crack a little bit on the plastic, and what I used was Permatex's bonding agent, and bonded it back together, and now the suction is just as strong as when I originally had it. So that's about it. Yep. Nothing special about this camera. That's the ironic part of it. And I've been getting, my footage of what you guys seen me on the car. So thanks for watching.